How to remove profile picture on Facebook Messenger. Hello everybody, if you are wondering how, you may follow up this step. So you may open up your Messenger first and head over to the menu on the bottom. And after tapping on it, you will be finding your profile. So if you're trying to remove your profile picture, you need to go ahead and open up the Facebook app instead. So both of your accounts are associated with each other. So whatever changes you make in your personal account on Facebook, the Messenger will have the same changes. So for that, head over to Facebook and tap on your profile at the top. After that, go ahead and tap on your profile. And once you are there, you may head over to the option called Photos from your screen. After going to Photos, you'll be finding all of the photos, including your profile picture. So go ahead and locate up your profile picture. And once you do, tap on the three dot at the top. And you should be finding a menu but delete photo option in it. Go ahead and tap on it. Confirm it. And once you do, and refresh your page, you should be finding your profile picture removed on Facebook Messenger. So that's it for now. You may follow this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.